In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily apply predefined typography skin designs to your forms using the powerful one-click features in Typeform. If you have been looking for a way to instantly elevate the visual appeal of your projects without spending hours on manual adjustments, then this tutorial is perfect for you. To get started with the process, you first need to navigate to the top of the design panel and click on the tab labeled Gallery. Once you enter this section, you will see a beautifully organized scrollable grid layout that showcases dozens of high-quality predefined skin templates designed to fit any brand or mood. You can explore a wide variety of options, such as the clean and professional minimalist looks, the modern and sleek textiles, or even something more eye-catching like the vibrant or warm palettes. These templates are pre-configured to ensure your typography and colors look amazing together right out of the box. To apply one of these designs to your form, all you need to do is click on the specific theme card just once. The system will automatically update your entire form layout to match the selected style. After you have found the design that fits your vision perfectly, simply click on the Save button to lock in your changes. By following these simple steps, you can give your Typeform a professional makeover in just a few seconds, allowing you to focus more on your content and less on the technical details of design.